Unang-una sa lahat, huwag mong tawaging bobo ang sarili mo dahil hindi ka magaling mag-memorize. Dahil memorization is just a part of learning and it can be trained using memory strategies. Wow! This is Teacher Jane of TeachTalk, where learning is fun and easy. If this is your first time watching our videos, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button so you'll get notified on our next videos. Today, I will be sharing 8 of the best among the best memorizing strategies proven to work as long as you persevere and stick to the strategies that work best for you. Number 1. Mnemonic. A mnemonic is a tool that will help you remember a phrase or an idea using a pattern of letters, numbers, or other relatable associations. Magbigay tayo ng halimbawa para mas maintindihan nyo. Halimbawa, on our topic about coordinating conjunctions, we were made to familiarize the words for, and, nor, but, or, yet. So, pero kung babasahin lang natin sa notes natin, medyo mahirap. So, para matulungan natin ang sarili natin, we will make a mnemonic. The mnemonic we're going to use is fanboys. F stands for, A for and, N for nor, B for but, O for or, Y for yet, and S for so. Diba? Mas madali? Second, serial position effect. It states that you are more likely to memorize the first and the last words of a series of words or a group of phrases. Halimbawa, in the words apple, ball, cat, dog, eagle, fox. What is the last word? The last word is fox. What is the first word? The first word is apple. Pwede mo itong magamit kung magte-take ka ng test. Diba sa pag-aaral natin, merong mga easy to memorize words and difficult to memorize words. Para mas madali ang retention ng information, ilagay mo ang mahihirap na words sa first and last part. Number 3. Keywords. A classic strategy but still proven to work. Halimbawa, memorizing the branches of science and its definitions. Let's have biology first. In its technical definition, biology is the study of life and living organisms and their vital properties that deals with the physico-chemical aspects of life. Napakahaba, diba? But let's look for the keywords. First, we have life. That's actually the main word that defines biology. So, ang keyword natin para ma-memorize ang biology, life. Another example, paleontology. Paleontology is the scientific study of life in the geologic past that involves the analysis of plant and animal fossils, including those of microscopic size preserved in rocks. Hanapan natin ng keywords ang definition na ito. Isa lang ang keyword natin dito, di ba? Yung inuulit-ulit, yung word na fossils. So when we memorize this definition, we just use paleontology, then fossils. Number 4. Visualize. Di ba nakakapagod magbasa ng napakahabang paragraph sa textbooks natin? So kung hindi ka magaling mag-memorize ng words at isa kang visual learner, this strategy is for you. Let's have an example. Instead of memorizing the definitions and properties of quadrilaterals in your math textbooks, How about you use this graphic organizer? From the graphic organizer alone, you can already tell that a quadrilateral has two types, a parallelogram and a trapezoid. And under the trapezoid, we have one special type, an isosceles trapezoid. On the other side, we can see that there are two types of parallelogram, a rectangle and a rhombus. And if we combine the properties of a rectangle and a rhombus, we will have a square. When taking a test, you can just imagine the graphic organizer that you have made in order to recall the information right away. Sa ibang subjects naman, like science, you can use your body parts. Halimbawa, sa phases of mitosis, we have 4, prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase. May mga times na nagwa-rumble-rumble ang mga phases of mitosis at hindi natin alam kung saang phase nag-occur ang isang process. So why not do this? Mitosis, we have one cell. In prophase, the chromosome starts to condense and the mitotic spindle forms. In metaphase, the chromosomes line up at the middle. In anaphase, the sister chromatids separate. And in telophase, there are two new dotted cells formed. Again, prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase. Prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase. Pero you can read your book for more detailed explanations. Number 5. Self-quiz. When you're studying, there will be main ideas and keywords in your books or notes. You can use Quizlet, an online application that will help you memorize. When you study, there will be concepts, keywords, and main ideas. In Quizlet, you just need to type the main idea, the definition, or the question, and then the answer. Then there is a flashcards option in Quizlet, and if you press that, Quizlet will drill you on the terms and its corresponding answers. However, if you don't have a means to access Quizlet, you can use small pieces of paper. Just pick one piece of paper, then you read the question, then you try to answer. You can check if your answer is correct by looking at the back side of the paper. You can do this drill as many times as you want until you memorize all of the words you have written down. Number 6. Meron tayong tinatawag na Protégé effect. It is rooted in the ancient belief that while we teach, we learn. Did you know na ang pinakamabisang way to learn something is to teach it? For example, you have studied about adding polynomials. You can learn it better by teaching it to your friend or to a younger person. By teaching, you can find out the lapses in knowledge or kung ano pa yung hindi mo na-learn sa topic na iyon, and if there is an easier way to learn it. Number 7. Maintenance rehearsal. It is the process of repeatedly verbalizing or thinking about a piece of information. It is repeating over and over again a certain word until you memorize it. But this strategy is more likely to be effective only in our short-term memory. Usually, our short-term memory can hold up to 20 seconds, but using maintenance rehearsal, pwede itong ma-extend until 30 seconds. Halimbawa, uulit-ulitin mo to. Parasitism is the relationship in which one organism, the parasite, harms or benefits from another organism, which is the host. So balik-balik, isa pa. Parasitism is the relationship in which one organism, the parasite, harms or benefits from another organism, which is the host. Since maintenance rehearsal is only good for our short-term memory, we have another strategy, our last strategy, that can help us transfer information to our long-term memory. It is elaborative rehearsal. It is the process of thinking and understanding about the meaning of information and relating it to something you already know. For example, parasitism. In maintenance rehearsal, inulit-ulit lang natin until tumatak sa utak natin. Again, parasitism is the process in which an organism called the host is harmed by the parasite. Tapos, naisip mo, yung aso mong si Bruno, may mga kuto sa kanya. Tapos, yung mga kutong yun, sinisip-sip yung dugo niya. So, parang naisip mo, so yung kuto yung parasite. Tapos, si Bruno yung host. Therefore, ang concept ng parasitism para sa'yo ay hindi na lang merely words. Instead, it becomes more meaningful. In our field, in education, we have found out in educational researches that meaningful learning is more effective compared to rote memorization alone. Let's see if you can still remember the strategies we have discussed earlier. Number 1. What is the meaning of fanboys? Fanboys means for and nor but or yet so. Very good. In the words we have mentioned earlier, apple, ball, cat, dog, eagle, fox, what word comes last? The last word is fox. You got it right? Next, remember this. In what phase can we find 2 new daughter cells? If you answered telophase, you are correct. What is the study of life? The answer is biology. How about this? What is the study of fossils? The correct answer is paleontology. What is the relationship between sa aso mong si Bruno at sa kanyang mga garapata o ticks? Parasitism. Correct. Congratulations sa lahat ng nakasagot sa drills natin. Diba, madali lang mag-memorize? Pero alalahanin nyo na memorization is just the tip of the iceberg. If you want an in-depth analysis of any concept, reading with comprehension is the key. For now, yun lang muna ang i-discuss natin. See you next week, guys! Bye!